what's up? I'm in Canggu and this is my ride for today because I got some problem with my Jimny, and that's the reason actually why I'm in Canggu. I wanna make a new deal for the car, but I will talk about that later. I wanna stroll around Canggu center today and we will see how's the life. Oops, I stepped on the dog shit. Yeah, anyway, I will stroll around the Canggu today. So this is the central car parking in Canggu. It's 1 o'clock, so it's quite hot and I have to be quick how I walk, but it's beautiful light actually. Yeah, this is the Love Anchor, Love Anchor, the place where's the shopping mall, something like that, for the fancy stuff, Ripco, Western brands, stuff like this. This is the one of the main junctions here. Monsieur Spoon, French cafe, restaurant, bakery. Somebody asked me last time. However, I need to have a lunch, but not bakery. I mean, maybe coffee later. Next time. Anyway, this is the center. If you're gonna go there, and there is the famous Canggu shortcut. Luigi's is actually open, but at 4 till late. That's how it looks inside. This is familiar. They also have some promo, 50k for lunch. So it's always good. We will see how is the busy or not. I'm in Deusz waiting for the food. And quick story about the car. And basically Jimny was broken several times last 2 weeks. And yesterday we stuck on the middle of the junction in Sanur. Something problem with the steering wheel. Basically I lose control from the steering wheel. Completely cannot turn right, left. And on the busy junction in Sanur, and yeah, we need to manage different deal. Unfortunately, have to say sorry and goodbye to Jimny, but that's for the safety reason. It's just too much driving quite a lot, also because making vlogs every day. So you know, yeah, that's only if you are interested about what's going on. Here we go. My chicken burger arrived. Burger and cola, just 50k, not so bad deal I think. Okay, now I'm just arrived to the Tamora Square. This is completely brand new place just next to the Canggu station. For everyone who are familiar with Canggu area, you know where is it. Just over there is the Canggu station, and this is like, I don't know actually what is it, because we was passing that for many times and we never get inside, so check this out. Basically, as I see now is the Chicago's Pizza, which is seems like it's quiet, modern shopping mall or something like this. Kimberly Spas, some investments, properties, loud bikes in the background. That's normal things. Yeah, looks fancy. Like not in Bali, little bit like California's vibe here. And this is like a hammocks and alcohol shop, wine, well, alcohol shop. Interesting, very interesting indeed. There is Umalas at the front, at the back, just. Okay, and from other side, this building is still for rent, I think. Here are some, I don't know, it's really fancy. What do you think, guys, about this thing? This place in the Canggu right now looks very fancy. Cafe shop. Interesting. I'm not sure if I'm interested for having a coffee in the place like this. However, it's pretty cool, modern place, and also shop for rent if you're interested. So definitely this is some sort of a shopping center. In the background you can see the fancy villas, and here not so long ago it was just the field, and now it's another bottle shop. There is the clinic. Here is the different restaurant. There's so many people, I hope so they're not gonna drive me on. Okay, this is some sort of restaurant, very nice. By the way, Canggu becomes so fancy nowadays. Battle shop, Utama Spice Clinic. I don't know how I'm gonna cross the street over here. Check this out, so many people. Lombok car and Lombok girl inside. I just wanted to show you, as over there is the Warung Smade, the same like in Seminyak, the old one, the historical one, like in Kuta. They also opened in Canggu, in this area, not so long ago. Here is the Trattoria with 50% discount. and I'm trying to, you know, walking in the jungle of the scooters and cars here. Definitely Canggu is number one now nowadays. You will not even, it's, I don't know what to say, it's just like in normal condition. After that it seems like it's very busy in Bali right now, which is not true, only Canggu. Well, anyway, here is 24 hours assistance. So many cables, by the way, they hiding even the wording. So I start vlogging there is like this. Here is actually the Canggu station with some restaurants. Also, that was actually quite old place and was prepared as some sort of mini shopping center or food district. And it's the same here. Check this out. And funny because now it's quiet. And I was recording because it's so busy now, nobody. Okay, here is another new restaurant just opened not so long ago. It's called Cibo Italian Cuisines. I heard somebody told me, but I'm not sure, as the owner is the chef from the very fancy hotel in Bali, so, but I'm not sure. Okay, Canggu station. Oh, so bright to record. Maybe I need to change the position a little bit. Anyway, Starbucks. I also gonna show you this area because, well, it's changing quite a lot. For people who are familiar with the Canggu area, you know, as 5 years ago was nothing here except the Canggu station, and at the front club, forgot the name. Yeah, so many new shops here. District, yo, what's up? So many, and funny is because this is brand new, and here is already barber's shop, and all the units except these two over there is taken already. So that's been it's a lot of investigation in Bali during current situation, and it's actually more busier than you could expect for the Canggu area. Also here Starbucks and some shops with the Dutch colony style of building. This is actually very old place and not as successful. And here I'm gonna show you the security screen. Canggu station. Canggu station was one of the first supermarket in Canggu actually. So many expats who living in Canggu for longer while have a great memories with the Canggu station. So hot, and I come back to the more peaceful place, which is the small. I wanna tell you a story about my car. Well, I told you it's broken and they fixing now, and I'm trying to change the deal for something newer, like I don't know, something like 2012, 2014 Toyota Agya, like a small famous cars in Bali, automatic. Unfortunately, the prices are come back to the normal, like pre-current situation conditions, and they asking me like for $250 American per month, which is quite too much. This is actually the rate for the new car if I gonna buy in the shop by myself. And I'm not sure what we're gonna do. However, currently my Jimny is broken, so we drive this white one for today, maybe tomorrow, we will see. Still waiting for information. And yeah, if there will be any information about car, for sure we will let you know. We always letting you know what is happening in our life. Yeah, that's it. I'm in Pepito Market and somebody asked me for the current prices of the beer. That's how it looks like. Not so bad. This is Pepito in Canggu, so many selection, and the big ones, if you are interested, about between $2.5 and $4 per bottle, and other things, and water. Somebody interested? Yeah, that's how it's look like. Alright, I just got my Bintang Radler Zero today, so no alcoholic at all, as you see, and, and that's how it looks the shop. Now it's the security who is checking temperature all the time. And cheers guys, so hot, really hot in Canggu, especially strolling around. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's how it looks the situation. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog. I didn't record much inside the shop because I don't know if you are interested about the prices in the shop right now. I mean, if you are interested, comment below. One day I will do it. If you're not interested, I'm so sorry as I waste 1 minute of your life showing you prices. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow like always. See ya, take care, cheers.